In this video, you will learn how to use some of the advanced mapping features available under the More Data button to access more personalized data to display on maps in NEPAssist. Please note there is a basic mapping layers video that reviews the basic features. First, let's select Add Demographics from the drop-down menu. This will open a pop-up window where you can find specific census data to display and analyze on your map. You can select which census data set you would like to use by choosing from the 2012 to 2016 ACS, the 2010 census, or the 2000 census tabs located toward the top of the display window. Once you decide which data set to use, select a category. For example, income and poverty, and then choose the variable within the category, such as percentage living under poverty, that you would like to display on the map. Categories and variables depend on the dataset. All demographic options allow selection of method, breaks, colors, transparency, and border. The legend associated with the selected data displayed on the map will appear on the right of the map and towards the bottom of the Select Map Contents window. The check mark next to the mapping layer indicates whether the variable is visible or hidden on the map. You can also choose to display the data as a graduated symbol map, which creates visual variabilities of size proportional to the value of the attribute it symbolizes. For example, the larger the circle, the larger the percentage of minority population. You should choose a color that contrasts and is visible against the current layers displayed on the map. Using graduated symbol maps together with a thematic map of block groups allows you to view multiple variables against one another. In this example, the map allows the user to view the distribution of minority populations against areas of poverty. Each data layer on the map is color coordinated according to the map legend to help you to keep track of all the data. You can also click on the letter I icon next to each mapping layer to read a more detailed description of the data for that layer. Now, let's explore the Additional Data Layers button. Click on this button to bring up a window that has an additional list of predetermined available locational data to choose from. Click on the individual hyperlinked data layers to learn more details about the particular data layer. You can add as many of these layers as you like to the NEPAssist map by clicking the box to the left of each data layer you are interested in adding. If a checkmark is displayed, as seen here, the data layer will be added to the NEPAssist map. Click on the Add to Map button to add the selected data layers to the main NEPAssist map. Users can also click on the Add Shapefile button to add a zipped shapefile saved to your computer to the map. Please note the limitation on size and features for uploading a shapefile. In addition, users may not want to upload shapefiles that include sensitive or confidential data. The information included in the uploaded shapefile will be displayed on the map with its associated legend displayed in the Map Contents panel. Next, let's click on the Search Available Data button. This features publicly available data layers from many sources through the online resource, arcgis.com. Users that have existing accounts through arcgis.com can click on the Sign-In button on the top right of the display window to enter their account information and access the additional data available through their platform. To search for publicly available data to add to your map, enter in keywords to help narrow down the search for the information that you are interested in. For example, let's type in the keywords FEMA floodplain. The current search results will bring back publicly available data layers that match our search terms that are within the location of our current map view. To see additional data layers available that are outside your current map view, uncheck the box next to Within Current Map Window on the left side of the display window. You can also search within particular groups established within ArcGIS.com and filter the results of your keyword search by tag or by author. As you scroll through your search results, you can click on any of the hyperlinked data layer titles to find more detailed information about the data, such as the data description, the data owner, and any technical information regarding the data layers and their terms of use. To add any of the data layers to your NEPAssist map, click on the Add button below the icon of the data layer you are interested in, like this. You will see the data layer you added displayed on your NEPAssist map view, and the associated data legend will appear on the right side of the map at the bottom of the Select Map Contents window. Lastly, let's learn how to add a publicly available data layer from the web to the map by clicking on the Add Layer from Web button. Choose from one of the file type options available and enter in the associated publicly available URL and service title for your data layer. Click the Add to Map button to add the layer to the NEPAssist map with its associated legend displayed in the Map Contents panel. If at any point while using NEPAssist you feel like you need more help or do not understand a term, there is support available. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see two icons. The first icon is Home, which will bring you to the NEPAssist homepage, where you can get information about using NEPAssist. Next is the Help icon, which will open the NEPAssist user guide, which explains using the different functions of the tool. Watching all the NEPAssist training videos will optimize your user experience.